Welcome back, friends. In this video, we're going to talk about DataCap databases. You have your DataCap application, but those records, statistics should be stored somewhere. Files are not a good option. It's not a reliable way as well. The best way to go for databases. So how do DataCap use databases? So very first thing, DataCap application uses relational databases. So which those databases are? Relational databases could be like IBM DB2, Microsoft SQL Server, or Oracle. At the time of development, we mostly use Microsoft Access, which is very easy. It's very easy to carry also. But once your application is confirmed, you have no more changes to do. Convert those Access databases to the either of these relational databases. So Microsoft Access, why do we use it? It is majorly for portability reason, and you should never use it in production environment. In production environment, we should go for these three databases: DB2, SQL Server, or Oracle. DataCap we have majorly four databases. Three are compulsory. You need to have it. Not compulsory, I would say that, but yes, majorly we have it. Have those: admin database, engine database. Sometimes we do have a fingerprint and lookup. So which could be external databases. Let's talk about admin. Administrative administration database contains users, groups, workstation, auditing, security, and your application configuration. This database also store the workflow configuration. Sometimes your application may have the more than one workflow. So this more than one workflow configuration are stored. More than one workflow configurations are stored in admin database. Next database is engine. Engine database stores information about queue, stats, statistics, patches. This admin and engine are the major and important databases for any DataCap application. Next database is fingerprint. Fingerprint database mainly manages the pointers to the fingerprints, that is nothing but your templates which you use in your application. Each application has its own set of self-contained databases. If you have the more than one workflow, it is possible that you will have the individual fingerprint databases for both of them. But your admin and engine database will remain common. Last but not the least, the external. I did not mention lookup here because not always you can have the lookup, but yeah, for the same reason. So external is, so why do we require external? So consider you have a data which is nothing but account number, and with the help of account number you need to populate the corresponding details attached to this account number, such as account name, any document account open date, and many more details. But you only have the entry or input for account number. So from where you will get this detail? Admin won't contain this, engine won't have it, neither your fingerprint. So that's the occasion where you will require third-party database. So this lookup database, which is nothing but a database that your application uses during this verification processing or before verification processing. Application can use this lookup. Application can use these databases to look up those data. So why do we do the lookup? So that whenever we have the data, when it comes to verification, user can validate it. If you find data, you can show them with the properly populated information in a verification pane, or you can simply skip it if you have the data. But if you don't have it, You should have an ability where user will enter account ID or account number, and then user should have an option to look up to populate those records in the verification window itself. So that's the reason not always we will require a lookup, but it's good to have a lookup database in those feature, in those maybe requirement. So in short, we have four databases in DataCap: administration, engine, fingerprint, and external, which is nothing but majorly for our lookup databases. Thanks for watching.